Let's get to know our interface first. We are now in Power BI Desktop. On the right side, we have our visuals panel below that are our visual features. On the left side, we have data fields. The central area will also be our workspace. We will create all our graphics in this area. If you can't see any of the panels, you can activate them from the View tab. First, let's create a bar chart, one of the most basic charts. I click on the bar chart icon from the Images panel, an empty template for our chart. Let's add our data from the Fields section on the right side. Drag Product Category for the X-axis. Drag Sales Amount for the Y-axis. Now let's customize our chart. First, let's change our title. Click on the title option in the Format section. Let's write Category-Based Sales. Make the font size 16. Let's choose the bold font. Let's change the chart colors. Let's go to the Data Colors option. Let's choose a different color for each category. Let's add data tags. Let's open Data Tags. Make the font size 10. Now let's create a pie chart. I select the pie chart icon from the Images panel. Sales amount in the Values field. Drag City to the Display field. Let's customize our chart. Open Data Tags from the Format section. Let's activate both Percentage and Value Display. Make Label Position Outer Edge. Let's customize the colors. Let's choose our corporate colors for each region. Add a white border between the slices. Let's edit our title. Let's write Regional Sales Distribution Averaging. Make the background color light gray. Finally, let's create a line chart. I click on the line chart icon from the Visuals panel and see the Partei Barlansinki. Let's place our data, date field for the X-axis drag, sales amount for Y-axis. Let's customize the graph. Make the line thickness 5. Let's add extra features. Open grid lines. Change the date format to month year. Let's make our title Monthly Sales Trend. Make sure data types are correct when creating charts. Prefer corporate colors in color selection. Adjust chart sizes to your page. Make sure labels are legible. Let each graph have a title. So we learned how to create and customize basic charts in Power BI. I hope the video was useful. We will explore more advanced visualizations in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you soon.